Hey guys, today I'm at this food truck in Florida. I'm currently at Haven, Florida. We're about to go to Orlando, Florida, where one of my someone's house is. So yeah, someone that we know. This has to be the best taco place ever. It's tacos called Tacos My Friend. Tacos My Friend, and the burritos tasted good. They did sell burritos there. So yeah, I sold it that I have at 7-Up. It was at this food truck. It's the best. I think this is the best food truck in the world. It's good. It's good. It's good. Okay. This is a taco truck. Next over there is just a pawn shop. And yeah. Yeah. Billboard. That's face. And there's my friend. And the pawn shop. Hey.
Look at this goofy eye boy. Goofy eye hair, goofy eye shirt, goofy eye pants, goofy eye car. Goofy eye bag.
I'm not even saying anything. Okay, bye.